6.0 Powerstroke will not start. The starter has gone out. And we just picked up a little bit of an upgrade. So if it was the ignition, this little wire right here should cause it to turn over. It's not doing nothing. So we're gonna install our new upgraded starter. I don't know what's going on with this thing. It absolutely stinks though. It smells like vomit. It's really gross. Like, I will never forget that smell. It is disgusting. All right, we got the old one out. I would say this thing was about worn. It's time to install the new starter. All right, that was an absolute pain. All right. Well, that's not good. What the heck? Okay, I screwed something up. This wire isn't even, it's not even connected. Maybe that top wire is touching? I'm not really sure. It looks fine to me. All right, I scooted that wire over a little bit. Looks fine to me. Moment of truth. Ooh. That was actually 10 times better than before. That stock starter sucked, and I'm actually really happy with this upgrade. So if you want to see any more modifications to the 6.0 Powerstroke, let me know in the comment section down below.